Hi guys, in this video we will find all integers and for which this expression will have an integer values. So expression is 16 into n square minus n minus 1 the power 2 divided by 2n minus 1. We can write 16 as a 4 the power 2. So 4 the power 2 into n square minus n minus 1 the power 2 divided by 2n minus 1. Since a the power m into b the power m is equals to a into b the power m. Hence, the numerator can be written as 4 into n square minus n minus 1 the whole power 2. A the power 2 into b the power 2 is a into b the power 2 divided by 2n minus 1. Now, by expanding the inner bracket, we will get 4 into n square, 4n square, 4 into minus n, minus 4n, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, the whole power 2, divided by 2n minus 1. We can write this as 4n square is 2n, the whole square, minus 4n is 2 into 2n, minus 4, the whole power 2 divided by 2n minus 1. To simplify this division, we need the numerator in the terms of denominator, which is 2n minus 1. How can we get this? Let's see. So it's a 2n the power 2 minus 2 into 2n. I'm just adding and subtracting 1 at the same time in the numerator. Okay, so this and the whole power 2 divided by 2n minus 1. I simplify again. 2n square minus 2 into 2n into 1. This will be the same thing. Plus 1 and minus 1 minus 4 will be minus 5. The whole power 2 divided by 2n minus 1. Since a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square is equals to a minus b the whole square. Why I bring this formula now? Because if you see the first three terms in the numerator, they are the form of a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So I can write this as a minus b the whole square. A is 2n and here b is minus 1 the whole square. What is left? Minus 5 and the whole power 2 divided by 2n minus 1. Now, by expanding the square formula, what we will get? A 2n minus 1 the square, the whole square, a square, minus 2 into a, which is 2n minus 1 the square, into b 5 plus b square is 25 divided by 2n minus 1. I again simplify this more. So 2n minus 1 the power 2 is 2n minus 1 the power 4 minus 2 into 5 is 10 into 2n minus 1 square plus 25 divided by 2n minus 1. Divide each term in the numerator by denominator 2n minus 1. So let's see what we will get. Equals to 2n minus 1 the power 4 divided by 2n minus 1 minus 10 into 2n minus 1 the power 2 divided by 2n minus 1 and plus 25 divided by 2n minus 1. So what is left? 2n minus 1 the power 3 minus 10 into 2n minus 1 plus 25 divided by 2n minus 1. This expression will be integer if only if 25 is divisible by 2n minus 1. For that, 2n minus 1 should have factor of 25, which are plus minus 1, plus minus 5 and plus minus 25. Now we will see each case. So when 2n minus 1 is equals to 1, so 2n become 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So n become 1. Second case, when 2n minus 1 is equals to minus 1, then 2n become minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0 and will be 0. And when 2n minus 1 is equals to 5, 2n become 5 plus 1 is equals to 6 and become 6 by divided by 2, 3. And when 2n minus 1 is equals to minus 5, then 2n will be 5 minus 5 plus 1 is equals to minus 4 and will be minus 2. Then 2n minus 1 is equals to 25, 2n will be 25 plus 1 is equals to 26. So n is 26 divided by 2, 30. Last case, when 2n minus 1 is equals to minus 25, then 2n will be minus 25 plus 1 which is equal to minus 24. Hence, n will be minus 24 divided by 2, minus 12. So, we have total 6 values, 1, 0, minus 2, 3, minus 12 and 30. Therefore, for 6 values of n which are 0, 1, minus 2, 3, minus 12 and 13, this expression will have an integer value. If you like this video, please share your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Cheers.